Hey, it's Andreas, and I've been investing for over 10 years. In today's video, let's talk about the increasing M&A activity and the use of leveraged buyouts that we see and the impact that this will have on retail investors looking at small cap growth stocks. I have a story here, and I will use this company here, Vector Group, to really exemplify this and drill this point home. To start off the video, let's take a quick look here at Bloomberg section for this deals, as we say. We're gonna see a lot of IPOs. We're seeing banks whip out checkbooks for leverage buyouts as rates fall. Yes, indeed, this activity is finally starting to pick up again, and patient investors will be rewarded. Tempur sells 1.6 billion loan for mattress firm purchase, and we're seeing other negotiations as well. We're seeing IPO pitches, and this is just a better market environment as a whole. Ellis ends acquisition talks with US rival UniFirst Vestis. Alright, we're seeing deals, and one of those deals that affects my portfolio is the purchase of Vector Group. I like this company. They had a good dividend yield. They owned Douglas Elliman in the past that they spun off as independent shares to current shareholders. It was a nice value play, and over 5 years you can see that they are up quite a lot, not counting in dividend, not counting in the spin-off of Douglas Elliman in this case. So as we can see from a press release here quite recently, this acquisition is about to go through. They have sent out a letter to shareholders and asked us to vote regarding this. I'm just a retail investor, so what I say and do doesn't matter, so I didn't even answer on the letter, but major shareholders are very likely to just push this through. The deal is practically done in this case. So we're seeing this announcement here, and this is some good payout for us as retail investors. Let's go over this story here of Vector Group. Not only did this tobacco company that made cheap tobacco reinvested earnings into properties, had a realtor company in the past, paid good dividend, it sold here very closely to $15 a share. That's about all-time high here in the past 5 years, paying out dividends, and they made a spin-off here of Douglas Elliman, the realtor company that they used to own. It used to be a part of the company, and they basically gave shareholders of Vector Group shares in this company so that we would be the owners. And it's funny how things go. If you look at older portfolios that's been around for a long time, you're gonna see this. You buy one company, and then as time goes on with spin-offs, with acquisitions, all this kind of stuff, well, then you see that you end up with a completely different portfolio structure. In this case, I bought Vector Group. They spun off Douglas Elliman, and now Vector Group themselves is being bought up. So from having only Vector Group, I ended up with Vector Group and Douglas Elliman, and now I will be only left with Douglas Elliman, a company that did not exist as a standalone, IPO traded company when I made my initial investment. It's just funny how the flow of time changes things, and we all make up money just waiting in the stock market. Super easy. Very important for small cap growth investors. These buyouts are good payouts for us, so I'm very happy for shareholders here of Vector Group. It was a great run, it was some good dividend, it was a nice spin-off, and now the run has come to an end, and hopefully we can find some new good buying opportunities. For example, I took a look at the office REIT here in a previous video, so if you're looking for new buying opportunities on what to do with all the cash you're gonna get once you get bought out, then perhaps take a look at that video. That's been it for this video, and as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.